Hello friends, myself Takshil Yadav with a new topic of science, that is soil. In this lesson we are going to study about the composition and formation of soil. But before it, what is the definition of soil? Soil is the loose material that is present on the uppermost layer of the crust. Crust is a layer of the earth. It is very helpful to all of us. The roots of the plants penetrate deep into the soil and help to bind the soil particles. The soil in return provides minerals, water and nutrients to the plants through their roots. Soil helps in agriculture, and from agriculture we get our food. Without food we cannot survive. And food comes from agriculture, and agriculture takes place in soil. So soil is one of the most important abiotic components of the biosphere that supports life. Now what about the composition? Soil contains many different particles, such as it contains rocks or simply rock particles, sand, clay, silt, humus, gravels. Gravels are small stones, and a layer of dead and decaying bodies known as humus, which makes it fertile. Humus contains very important minerals for the plants, which are provided by the soil to the plants. Now what about the formation? Earlier, hundreds, thousands of years ago, there was no soil. There were only rocks, volcanoes, and the whole earth with some water on it. Earlier the water was too much as compared to today, because the land was not as good and it had not developed as it is today. Now, how did the soil form, or the formation of soil? The rocks at that time that were present on the earth collided to each other due to volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, landslides. They were also broken into smaller particles through the heat of the sun, wind, water, etc. Now when these particles, suppose these are the big rocks like this one, due to an earthquake, a landslide, or due to the heat of the sun, water or wind, it broke into small rocks. Yeah, like this we can say. And these rocks, even further made up, were crushed by these same effects and at last they made soil, which we have today on this earth. But all this happened only due to the presence of the sun, wind, water, air, and volcanoes, and the whole earth and its plates. Without these effects, still today we would have only big rocks but no soil for agriculture or for plants. And this process of the bigger rocks breaking into smaller rocks, and these smaller rocks become soil, and this whole process is known as weathering. Weathering is a very long process. It takes thousands of years. That is why at early times there were only rocks, but it took 1,000 years in the process of weathering to form soil which we have today. Thank you friends for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and do not forget to click the notification bell. Please like and share this video. Thank you.